Traveling is always full of excitement, to get away from everything and just relax. But wait, are heavy luggage and a stroller stopping you? Bringing these items anywhere is not an easy task. What if you could bring just one item that gets the job done? An innovative multi-wagon that transforms from a stroller to a luggage carrier in just 2 minutes. Introducing Strollug. Strollug is the world's first wagon-style stroller and luggage in one. Unlike other products that simply fold to be stored away, our stroller transforms into a portable carry-on bag in just 2 minutes. Fold the stroller handle and tuck the wheels inside to lock them in place. Then a spacious travel luggage is ready to store your belongings. If you wish to convert the luggage back to stroller mode, simply pull out the folded wheels and spread them out to widen. Adjust the handle hinge to your preferred height, and it instantly becomes a wagon-style stroller. Strollug's 7-inch and 10-inch wheels enhance its elegance and performance, providing a comfortable riding experience for the passenger with its urethane tires. The front wheels offer 360-degree rotation for comfortable maneuvering, while the rear wheels are equipped with a stopper function so you can halt and park securely. With a generous 27-inch size and an additional 23-inch pouch, Strollug offers spacious, convenient storage for your belongings. Need more space? Open and extend the front part of the stroller and enjoy the ample space for your child to lie down in comfort or carry heavy and bulky items with ease. During summertime, you can even install a canopy to ensure your child stays cool and comfortable in our product. Stain-resistant and water-repellent, Strollug allows easy cleaning and effortless maintenance, providing unrivaled convenience. Let Strollug become your go-to companion and focus more on making special memories with your family and loved ones. From a stroller to luggage, experience the comfort that comes from its versatile practicality, creating a more pleasant environment for you and your loved ones. Choose your all-in-one carrying solution to make your travel and everyday life more enjoyable. Strollug.